Good morning everyone! We are here in 99.1 Lubig Sila, MOR. This is Lance Hudson in Balingan, Southern Town. We are here in Cagayan de Oro City for our concert in Gisano Mall, and we have to thank our sponsor, especially in the dark in the Girls venue, and we have to thank the sponsor in Tocantex, Globe, Addict Mobile, and Virgin Cola and Cobra, the taste of Virgin. If you want to contact my number, just type 0905888902. So thank you very much. This is Janice Mercado for our, and this is my supporter in Run Online. You look at, this is Johnny, and BB, and Wix, and James Mercado in Imukid Dark, and I am the Dark Imukid in Balingan, Visayas Oriental. I have to tag the Bugs and Rose and Mutmut Net and Belcom for online, and thank you very much for supporting our band. Thank you. I am Janice Mercado. This is your DJ in MOR 99.1. Pwede ba tayo mag-ay? Pakpak mo mga kauban! Mga kauban dito. That's in St. Mary's Academy, and we have to thank the sponsor, especially in the Globe, Addict Mobile, and you have Ace. Thanks for sponsor the Ace, and especially the Virgin Cola. Ito talaga ang tamang timpla eh. And Virgin Cola talaga ang pinakatamang timpla. Just log on in Friendster at yahoo.com, virgincola.com. Thank you very much. This is DJ Flong. We love you all. Thank you. Salamat sa inyong tanan, sa inyong pagsuporta. I love you good sa mga chicks diya. Tanan namino sa mga chicks. I love you sa inyo tanan. Bisag sa inyo pero magkalok lang sa inyo, pero I hope happy Valentine's for you, and tagsa-tagsa na pangita lang mo sa mga kanya, mga inyong mga kapartners. Dapat na mo mag-usa-usa sa isa ka hearts. So mula ako ikaingon sa inyo. Salamat.